Hello, this is Peter from First Maths, and today we are looking at using addition and subtraction with shopping. The resources: real or toy coins, 1p, 2p, 5p, 10p and 20p pieces. Items for the class shop, priced from 2 pennies to 9 pennies. This activity is done in the context of a class shop. Mental learning objective. Today's lesson is about the addition and subtraction of money. Mental learning task. Your teacher will show you some different coins. Pause the video while your teacher shows you the coins. How many 1 penny pieces are worth the same as a 10 pence piece? 3. Shout out with me, or someone tell the answer. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and tell me. The answer, of course, is there are 10 pennies in a single 1 10 pence piece coin. How many 5 penny pieces are the same as a 10 penny piece? 3, 2, 1, show me. Well done. There are 2 5 penny pieces to make 1 10 penny piece. If you had lots of 2p coins and I asked you to swap my 10p coin for some of them, how many would you give me? Pause the video and work it out. You would give me 5 2 penny coins to make 10 pennies, because it is 2 times 5, or 5 lots of 2. Make 10. What is the difference in value between a 5p penny piece and a 10p piece? So what is 10 take away 5? 3, 2, 1, show me. Well done, it is 5. What is the difference in value between two 5 pences pieces and a 2 pence piece? 2, so work it out. Pause for a moment maybe. Think about it. 2 5 penny pieces. How much is that worth? That is worth 10. Well done. So it's 10 take away 2. What's that answer? Well done. The answer would be 8. The difference. Today's lesson is about the addition and subtraction of money. Main learning objective. Today we're going to practice giving change in the play shops. Main learning task. Give some 10 pence coins, 1 to each child. Children come up and buy an item from the teacher. Count the change. After a while, start giving out different types of coin. Is there any other way I could give you change using different coins? Pause the video and have a think. A mango is 12 pence. I was given 20 pence. What is the change? Pause the video and work it out. What number sentence could I write for it? Pause the sentence and work it out. That would be 20 minus 12 equals 8. Solve these questions. Pause the video to let the children work out the answers. They could write them in their books. The main learning objective. Today we're going to practice giving change in the play shop as our main objective. Mark your work as the teacher gives the answers. So pause the video while the teacher says the answers for you. Can you make these families of sums? For example, is 2 plus 4 equals 6. 4 plus 2 equals 6. 6 take away 4 equals 2. 6 take away 2 equals 4. If you notice, in every time, they have only 3 numbers. Look, 2, 4, and a 6. 2, 4, and a 6. This one, 2, 4, and a 6. And this one, 2, 4, and 6. So using 3 numbers, you can make 4 different sums. What number family would go with 5 plus 3 equals 8? Pause the video while you work out what are the other 3 sums you could make using 5, 3, and 8. What number family would go with 49 minus 17 equals 32? Pause the video while you work out the other 3 sums you could make. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, then press the like button below it. Please subscribe to my channel to know when I will be uploading my next video. And if you press the notification bell, even better, as it will always tell you when I have uploaded a new maths game, maths video, maths quiz, or other exciting stuff. I look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye!